Ever wondered why the hiccup? It's an irresistible little quirk of the human body, isn't it? A hiccup occurs when a sudden contraction of your diaphragm, that's a large muscle between your chest and abdomen, causes the vocal cords to close abruptly, resulting in that characteristic hic sound. What triggers this peculiar reflex action? Often it's eating too quickly, consuming spicy food, or drinking carbonated beverages. But sometimes it's stress or excitement. It's fascinating, the ways our bodies communicate, isn't it? Remember, persistent hiccups could signal a medical issue. So if those hiccups are hanging around longer than 48 hours, it might be time to check in with your doctor. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our amazing human body.